Hey, you must be the new roommate.
Oh, yeah.
Hey, we have one other roommate, and he can be pretty bossy sometimes.
Oh.
Shh, here he comes.
That was kind of weird.
Oh,
What?
We have an open door policy.
What? Why? Oh.
It looks pretty good.
Oh, thanks. Oh, no, that's not for you.
In this house, all food is Milo's food.
But what do you want?
Oh, that's his chair.
What? You know what? No, he can barge into my room, he can eat my food, but he is not taking my chair. You know what? This is ridiculous. You can't just...